In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription or downgrade to the free plan. To get started, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu in your account dashboard. This is where you'll usually find the main navigation options for your workspace and billing settings. In that sidebar, click on either the Organization tab or the Subscription tab, depending on how your account is set up. Both of these areas typically contain the plan and billing details you'll need. Once you're in the correct section, take a moment to find the block that shows your current active plan status. This is the area that displays which subscription you're currently on, and it may also include billing cycle details or renewal information. If you have several settings visible on the page, it's helpful to pause and carefully look for the section that clearly identifies your active plan before moving forward. After you've located your active plan status block, look for the option that says downgrade to free or cancel subscription. The wording may vary slightly depending on the platform layout, but the meaning is the same. This is the control that lets you stop the paid plan. Click the option that matches what you want to do. If you still want access to the account with limited features, downgrading to the free plan is usually the right choice. If the platform presents it as a cancellation, that will generally end the paid subscription and return the account to its non-paid state according to the service's policy. From there, follow the confirmation prompts on screen. These prompts are designed to make sure the change is intentional, so you may need to review a few notices before the action is completed. Read each screen carefully as you continue, especially if there's information about when the downgrade or cancellation takes effect. Keep selecting the confirmation option until the platform shows a success status. Once you see that success message, the process is complete. At that point, your subscription change has been submitted successfully. As a final tip, it's a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and make sure the plan status updates correctly so you can verify that the account now reflects the change you intended. That's it, and you're all set.